Are you okay? Good. So, okay. So, hi everybody. Guys, everybody want to see it from near the styles. So I thought I film her again so you can see it live. This is Ria from Switzerland. I just show you the live, the way we did her hair. We were busy with her 33 minutes. We just finished. I'm showing you now her hairstyle. Lovely bob a haircut with me, Amal Hermuz. Yes, guys, this is it. This is the result. She didn't want it short. It was already short. I left it as long as we can. This is the lovely, nice bob haircut for Ria from Switzerland. Guys, let me ask her if she's happy because I'm really happy with the result. So, Ria, are you happy?
I'm very happy, Amal.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This was Ria from Switzerland, guys. A nice bob haircut, a lovely, nice blow dried by me, Amal Hermuz. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.